Hi, I'm Sarah. I work for Denbighshire Youth Service. I've just finished my 3-year Masters in Youth and Community Work. And throughout that process, I've been exploring and researching young people's perceptions of food insecurity. What that has brought me to understand, really, about youth work is that young people make a unique relationship with youth workers that they often may not have an opportunity to make for any other adult in their lives, or in particular any other professional. One thing that's been highlighted is that food insecurity is a significant issue for lots of young people. Not having access to food, not knowing maybe how to cook food, not necessarily having the skills to budget or an opportunity to learn about those things. Youth work has been able to bring all of that together for young people, having a safe place to go where they can open up and be able to share their experiences and share their journeys, and doing that around a table where you're sharing food that you've all made together is a really wholesome experience. There is a power in relationships that are built on young people's choices. The one place where young people feel empowered is something that we should not only cling on to, but actually not take for granted, and also to try to shout a little bit more about, that actually working with young people and being positive and bringing it all together is something that I'm passionate and proud to be part of, I think.